morning to you. Thanks for tuning into the Center County Report Weather Update. I am your student meteorologist, Juklo. And if you look out your window right now, you see what are some pretty cool looking clouds there in the distance. We saw some rain moving in overnight last night. Those have since moved down, and we're just left with cloud cover here across the Nittany Valley. If we look at our weather headlines, few showers can be expected this afternoon, but I think most of the day should be dry. It really won't be until later this evening and overnight tonight when we see that widespread rain moving on in. And then with that, we will see our temperatures crash as we head into the day tomorrow when that cold front slices through the region. So certainly some changes on the way here in the next 24 to 48 hours. Radar showing generally quiet right now across Center County. Few showers moving on out to our east. You can see near Mifflinburg. Those are moving on out. If we look at the entire state, the most widespread rain right now is across northwestern Pennsylvania, up near Franklin and Bradford. If we take you in for a closer look, you can see so there are some heavier downpours, as you see by the darker greens and the yellows and the oranges. But this is wave number 1 with the rain. That's associated with a warm front. And then tonight we'll be watching wave number 2 that will be with that cold front. Temperatures right now are very mild in the 50s here when you wake up across Center County. Generally 50s and 60s, and you can actually see where that warm front is that I'm talking about. Our southern cities are right now in the 60s, 62 Johnstown, 66 Harrisburg. This warm front will be moving northward as the afternoon goes on, so I do think we'll warm up quite nicely here in State College this afternoon. Should get close to 70 degrees. And I'll show you on Futurecast what that rain is going to do. So that showers off to our east this morning. Generally quiet for most of the afternoon, but by the time we hit the 8, 9 o'clock hour, that's when we see the threat for rain and a few thunderstorms as well moving on in. And overnight tonight, that only becomes more widespread. You could see by the time you wake up tomorrow, likely dealing with widespread rain that could be heavy at times. And that rain will be with us as we head throughout the afternoon tomorrow, eventually turning to just showers. But again, we'll be keeping rain in the forecast for pretty much all day tomorrow. And then by the time we head into Saturday, we're left with just mostly cloud cover, although we still can't rule out a stray shower with that very cold northwesterly wind that we'll be seeing at that point. Temperatures will be up and down in the next couple of days. This afternoon, as I mentioned, should warm up quite nicely here in State College, up close to 70. But by the time we head into tonight, there's that front that I'm talking about moving through, and that will be slicing its way through the area tomorrow morning, dropping our temperatures down into the 50s. And then tomorrow afternoon, you can really see our temperatures don't go anywhere, falling into the 40s by the time we head into Saturday morning. And I don't really think we get out of the 40s for many places Saturday afternoon. And then by Sunday morning, down into the upper 30s. So certainly a fall chill here on the way. Brush off the dust on those jackets. You will need them in the next couple of days. Wanted to mention this real quick. The Storm Prediction Center has actually just included us in what is a slight risk for severe weather. This is from State College down towards Pittsburgh, so we're watching the potential for some gusty winds with any thunderstorms that pop up this afternoon. It will get warm enough and potentially unstable enough to produce that threat, so we will be watching that here as we head throughout the day here at the Campus Weather Service. Here's, if we're looking ahead to your football game, here's your forecast. Of course, we're taking on Ohio State here at 8 o'clock kickoff. Mostly cloudy, but it will be breezy, so you'll certainly need the jackets here. And temperatures down in the low to mid 40s. Friends, I can guarantee you those wind chills will be down into the 30s, so dress warmly. The good news is we should be seeing generally dry conditions, but can't rule out a stray shower at times during the game. Here's your forecast for today, warming up into the low 70s, a few showers, otherwise just mostly cloudy skies. But by tonight, that changes. That rain moves on in. A few thunderstorms as well possible during the evening hours as our temperatures fall down into the 50s when you wake up tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, rain continuing, eventually turning into showers, but our temperatures really don't go anywhere, falling throughout the day down into the upper 40s by the time we hit the evening hours. And then the next 7 days, we don't get out of the 40s on Saturday. A few leftover showers, otherwise mostly cloudy and breezy. That system moves on out by Sunday, bringing us just sunshine and clouds. Next system, weak system, moves in by Monday, bringing us a few showers, but more importantly, keeping our temperatures down in the low to mid 50s. So seasonably chilly air on the way. And Wednesday right now looking like a mix of clouds and sunshine with a high temperature of 55 degrees. Thanks so much for tuning in, friends. I hope you stay dry for the next couple of days. I am your student meteorologist, Juklo. I hope you have a great day.